Well, I'm back at Redbird's night 4. Well, it's gonna get a lot harder this time. Last night the old ones moved. I don't know how they could move. Whatever. Let's just get on with the phone call. Hello. Oh, hey, you made it to day 4. I did get the hang of it. So, just to update you, there's been somewhat of an investigation going on. We may have tended to close for a few days, I don't know. But I wanted to emphasize you that it's really just a precaution. Redbird Entertainment has denied anything while I'm doing so. These things happen sometimes. So just keep an eye on things and I'll keep you posted. So, yeah, bye. Good night. That was not even any type of information. That was the shortest phone call. That was the shortest phone call ever. Ugh. Oh, wait. Plushies. Plushies? I forgot I had plushies. I had the one of red, the one of that golden Redbird thing. It doesn't look golden. And Chuck. Okay, did I earn it? Is that my mask? Wait, this is my mask. Okay. Where's my camera? Wait, my camera's right there. Okay. It's my new camera. Okay, let's go check the cameras. Alright, oh god, Changle's in there. Wow. Alright. Let's go check on another camera. Alright, let's check that hallway. Shall we? Oh god. Okay. Alright, let me just check some more cameras. Okay, I have one question about this camera.
What are those?
Okay, there's Red. There's Withered Red. He's at the party area. Let's continue winding this music box. Let's check the hallway. Oh, there's Changle right there. Okay, let's check some more cameras. Is this the new parts and service camera? Okay. Ah! My camera! What happened? What the heck? What was that? Put on the mask. Oh crap, my plushie fell, but I don't care. There we go. Alright. Check the hallway. Oh, there's Chuck. Alright, let's go ahead and wind up the music box. Oh, yep, put on the mask. Wait, what? Oh. Huh? Oh, you two idiots. Ah! There we go. Alright, check the cameras. Okay, continue winding this music box. Ah! Oh, what's going on? My camera's glitching! Why was my camera glitching? Ah! What are you? Oh my god! What was that? I had 2 hallucinations. A purple version of Red, and a black version of Jay? What the heck? Oh my, they look shadowy. Whatever, I gotta keep checking these cameras. Well, there's Withered Stella. Oh crap, Withered Bomb's in the vent. Okay, nothing here. What's that plushie doing in the vent? I gotta need it for safety. I gotta go get it. Alright, I'm gonna go get that plushie. Oh, look, my plushies are right here. Okay, let's set them on here. Gotta hurry before someone else gets in there. Alright, here we go. Let's go in the vent. Ugh. Okay, here we go. Looks like Toy J. Ah, my plushes keep falling off. I need somewhere to put these plushes at. Alright. Alright, let's check the hallway. Oh, God. Get out of here, Chuck. Alright, that's enough. Oh my God, I wanted to be the box. Oh, I thought I was dead. Keep whining, keep whining. Okay, there we go. Yep, I already got the mask on. Wait, what? Oh no, they're in here. Go away, just go away, go away. Okay, finally. Oh no, I'm dead. I'm dead, and Chuck must be still in the hallway. No, it won't work. Dang it, you two idiots. Now I can't do it. I can't flash it. I'm dead. I'm ready, Chuck. Just run at me if you want. It's almost 6 a.m. anyway. Yes! I won 6 a.m. again! Yay!